Hello everyone, welcome to Success Cities Education. We are back with our weekly current affairs questions and we will cover the current affairs from 26 March to 1st of April. So let us begin. Our first question on the screen: which article of the Constitution makes it mandatory for prevention detention laws to form advisory boards consisting of persons qualified to be High Court judges? Answer is Article 22. Now, Justice Pardiwala wrote a judgment, and in that judgment, he has said that the requirement to have people qualified to become High Court judges was not an empty formality but a careful measure to ensure that a detention order of the government was put to robust scrutiny. These boards, under the various laws, have to review detention orders every 3 months to see whether there was sufficient cause or not. Now we move to the next question. ISRO will conduct START 2024 program during April-May. START, what is the full form of START? That is Space Science and Technology Awareness Training. Question number 3. Which app of Election Commission of India is a tool in the hands of people to flag election code violations? Name of this app is C-Vigil. एंड इस ऐप पर बहुत सारी कंप्लेंट्स आती हैं रिलेटेड टू पीपल हु आर वायलेटिंग द इलेक्शन कोड. Who was on March 26 appointed as the Director General of Bureau of Police Research and Development? Answer is Rajiv Kumar. The next question is, who was appointed as the Director General of National Investigation Agency? Answer is Sadanand Vasant Date. The next question is, who was appointed as the new head of National Disaster Response Force? Answer is Piyush Anand. So ये 3 important postings हुई हैं इस हफ्ते में. The next question is, India on March 29 renewed the agreement to export electricity to which neighboring country as per the nation's request 2 days before the expiry of the pact on March 31? Answer is Nepal. Now, under the agreement, Nepal in total can import 554 megawatts of electricity from India between 6 a.m. and 6 p.m. Nepal can import 500 megawatt from Dalkebar Muzaffarpur cross-border transmission line and 54 megawatt through Tanakpur. Next question. Abhay Thakur was appointed as country's next ambassador to which neighboring country on March 26? Answer is Myanmar. Profession of T.N. Subramaniam, who passed away in Michigan at the age of 76, is what? He is a mathematician. He moved to USA in 1979. He was initially employed by General Motors to develop mathematical models for GM cars. Subsequently, he established Route 1 company, which manages auto financing for all GM cars and GPS systems. Our next question, India handed over assistance for the development of infrastructure related to Gyalsang project to which neighboring country on 26th of March? Answer is Bhutan. The next question is, the Indian Air Force has for the first time disclosed reasons behind the accidental firing of a BrahMos combat missile which landed in Pakistan in which year? March 2022. So now Indian Air Force has revealed the reason for this. The next question is, Dash in collaboration with International Institute of Health Management Research, New Delhi and IIT Bombay on March 27 unveiled a digital course for healthcare professionals. Answer is UNICEF India. Now this course will be of 10 weeks duration and it targets audience includes doctors, nurses, pharmacists, healthcare administrators, policy makers, IT professionals and individuals involved in healthcare technology implementation. The Digital Health Enterprise Planning course, scheduled to commence on April 17, aims to equip healthcare professionals with the necessary skills to drive the digital transformation of India's healthcare sector. Next question है, the US District Court for the District of Columbia confirmed a 132 million award to which telecom MNC against the Government of India? Answer is Deutsche Telekom. Indian Navy ships on March 29 rescued a hijacked Iranian fishing vessel. What is the name of this vessel? And its crew of 23 Pakistani nationals in the Indian Ocean. So name of this vessel is Al-Kambar. Then the next question is, which country's navy sent its naval ships named RFA Argus and RFA Line Bay for maintenance in India for the first time? Answer is United Kingdom. The next question, External Affairs Minister S. J. Shankar visited Indian Coast Guard ship, what is the name of the ship, in Manila Bay in the Philippines on March 26. Answer is Samudra Pahredar. Who is the President of the Philippines? Answer is Bongbong Marcos. Alexander De Croo is the Prime Minister of? Answer is Belgium. Now our next question is, which capital hosted the first ever nuclear energy summit on March 21? Answer is Brussels. Sardar Rustambev is the new ambassador of which country to India? Answer is Uzbekistan. José Francisco Ignacio is the new ambassador of which country to India? Answer is Philippines. Peter Maina Muniri is the new High Commissioner of which country to India? Answer is Kenya. Mikhail Kasko is the new ambassador of which country to India? Answer is Belarus. Vakhtang Jashvili is the new ambassador of which country to India? Answer is Georgia. Who was on March 27 appointed as Assistant Secretary General and Special Representative of the Secretary General for Disaster Risk Reduction, United Nations Office for Disaster Risk Reduction? Answer is Kamal Kishore. The Food Waste Index Report 2024 was released recently by UNEP and UK-based NGO WARP. What is the full form of WARP? Answer is Waste and Resources Action Program. The next question is, what was the outcome of UN Security Council resolution on March 28 meant to extend the mandate of a panel of experts monitoring sanctions on North Korea for a year? Answer is China abstaining from voting. Russia vetoed the resolution. The resolution was not passed. Then the next question, what was the outcome of UN Security Council resolution demanding immediate ceasefire between Israel and Palestinian militants Hamas and the immediate and unconditional release of all hostages? Answer is the resolution was passed 14-0 with US abstaining. Bulgaria and Dash joined Europe's Schengen area of free movement on March 31, opening up travel by air and sea without border checks. Answer is Romania. Bulgaria and Romania have joined Europe's Schengen area of free movement. Now our next question is, National Assembly, the lower house of parliament in Dash, passed a bill on March 28 that would prohibit workplace discrimination rooted in hair texture and style. Answer is in France. So the National Assembly of France has passed this bill. The next question is, which country was hit by a magnitude 6.9 earthquake on March 24 that killed more than 5 people? Answer is Papua New Guinea. A cargo ship named the Dali collided with the Francis Scott Key Bridge on which river in Baltimore on March 26? Answer is Patapsco. After the collapse of the bridge, 8 people fell into the 50 feet Patapsco River. The next question is, which country was affected by tropical cyclone Gamane in March 24? Answer is Madagascar. The International Day of Zero Waste was observed on 30th March 2024. Our next question, who won the presidential election held in Senegal on March 24? Answer is Bassirou Diomaye Faye. Then the next question, Dina Bolaat is the president of? Answer is Peru. Daniel Kahneman died at the age of 90 in US on March 27. He was the winner of which Nobel Prize? Answer is Economics. Louis Gossett Jr. died in US on March 29 at the age of 87. He was a well-known actor. Then the next question, Richard Serra died in US on March 26 at the age of 85. He was a well-known sculptor. An Dash was named after Indian professor and distinguished scientist Jayant Murthy. Answer is an asteroid. Previously catalogued as 2005 EX296, the asteroid has now been designated as 215884 Jayant Murthy. The next question is, Camilla Carey plays for Chilean national women's team in which sport? Answer is hockey. Salima Tate plays for Indian national women's team in which sport? Answer is hockey. Who received the Exchange for Media News Broadcasting Awards Lifetime Achievement Award 2023 for his contributions to Indian television news? Answer is Vineet Jain. The next question is, how much funds were mobilized by India Inc. through the initial public offering route in 2023-24 according to Prime database? Answer is 61,000 crore rupees. Which pharma company has the largest initial public offering of 4,326 crore rupees in 2023-24? Answer is Mankind Pharma. The public sector insurance companies Life Insurance Corporation of India, General Insurance Corporation of India and Dash continue to be identified as domestic systematically important insurers by IRDAI. Answer is New India Assurance Company. Which is the strongest insurance brand globally according to a report of Brand Finance Insurance 100? Answer is Life Insurance Corporation of India. Financial Services Institution Bureau FSIB has selected Girija Subramanian as the new CMD of, answer is New India Assurance. Financial Services Institution Bureau has selected Bhupesh Sushil Rahul as the new CMD of United India Insurance. Then our next question is, NELM is National List of Dash Medicines, National List of Essential Medicines. Now the prices of essential medicines including painkillers, antibiotics and anti-infectives will see a minor increase from 1st of April. What were India's foreign exchange reserves during the week ended March 22? Answer is $642.63 billion. The next question is, the world's fastest stock trading and settlement system commenced in which country? Answer is India. In context of Directorate General of Foreign Trade, SCOMET refers to Special Dash Organisms, Materials, Equipment and Technologies, Special Chemicals, Organisms, Materials, Equipment and Technologies. Then the next question, the government's online public procurement platform, Government e-Marketplace, doubled its gross merchandise value to dash in fiscal year 2023-24. Answer is 4 lakh crore rupees. This IT company said in March that it will receive a tax refund of 6,329 crore rupees, including interest from the Income Tax Department. Answer is Infosys. Then our next question, this IT MNC is piloting projects in Telangana and Maharashtra to validate the accuracy of its AI-driven innovation Anthro-Krishi. Answer is Google. Tata Passenger Electric Mobility announced tie-up with this PSU to set up 5,000 public charging stations across the country. Answer is HPCL. Panasonic Group will form a joint venture with Dash to manufacture cylindrical lithium-ion batteries. Answer is Indian Oil. Gautam Adani run Adani Ports and Special Economic Zone will buy a 56% stake in Odisha's Gopalpur Port from Shapoorji Pallonji Group. Now, AP says, that is Adani Ports Special Economic Zone is India's largest private port operator. It will acquire 56% stake in the Gopalpur port from Shapoorji Pallonji Group and 39% stake from Odisha Stevedores. The port is located on India's east coast and it can handle around 20 MMTPA. So, Government of Odisha in 2006 awarded a 30-year concession to GPL with the provision of 2 extensions of 10 years each. The port handles a diverse mix of dry bulk cargo including iron ore, coal, limestone, ilmenite and alumina. Now our next question is, which private sector bank has acquired NBFC Sonata Finance Private Limited for 537 crore rupees? Answer is Kotak Mahindra Bank. Uttam Bhai Nathalal Mehta is the founder of which pharma company? Answer is Torrent Pharma. Pharmaceuticals to Energy, Torrent Group's Mehta family has pledged to donate 5,000 crore rupees over the next 5 years to the philanthropic foundation set up in the name of the founder U.N. Mehta as part of his birth centenary celebrations. Torrent Group celebrated the birth centenary of the founder, late Uttam Bhai Nathalal Mehta, January 14, 1924 to March 31, 1998. Now our next question is, which city has the most number 119 of billionaires in the world according to Hurun Research 2024 Global Rich List? Answer is New York. And which city is the most number of billionaires in Asia? Answer is Mumbai. Now the financial capital of India, that is Mumbai, has 92 billionaires and it has crossed Beijing, which has 91. Despite China, which has overall 814 billionaires compared to India's 271. So Mumbai is third position globally. The top is New York with 119 billionaires, then is London with 97 and then Mumbai with 92. Next question. Which MNC car company produced its last diesel engine on March 25? Answer is Volvo. Arnab Banerjee, MD and CEO of Dash, has been elected as the new chairman of Automotive Tyre Manufacturers Association. Answer is SIAT. Next question. Ashari Kandi Terracotta Craft, Pani Metika Craft, Sarthebari Metal Craft, Japi Bamboo Headgear and Mishing Handloom Products are among products granted geographical indication tags recently. They are from which state? Answer is Assam. Pachda Ringai, which is a traditional dress worn on special occasions, and Matabari Peda, a sweet preparation, are among products granted geographical indication tags recently. They are from which state? Answer is Tripura. Dash Garo textile weaving, Dash Lainai pottery and Chubichi secured the tag are among products granted geographical indication tags recently. So these are from Meghalaya. Meghalaya Garo textile weaving, Meghalaya Lirnai pottery and Meghalaya Chubichi. Next question. Politician and convicted gangster Mukhtar Ansari passed away on March 28 at the age of 63 in Banda, UP. He was elected as MLA of which party twice? Answer is BSP. Ansari was a 5-term MLA from Mao, representing the BSP twice, his own party Qawmi Ekta Dal once and independent twice. The next question is, the BJP has won 10 seats without a contest in the 60-member Dash Assembly. March 30 was the last date of withdrawal of candidature. So it is 60-member Arunachal Pradesh Assembly. Who is the Director General of Indian Coast Guard? Answer is Rakesh Pal. Ramakrishna Mission President Dash passed away in Kolkata on March 26 at the age of 94. Answer is Swami Samranand. Who won men's singles title at Miami Open Tennis in Florida on March 24? Answer is Jannik Sinner. Who won women's singles title at Miami Open Tennis in Florida? Answer is Daniel Collins. Who won men's doubles title at Miami Open Tennis in Florida? Answer is Rohan Bapana and Matthew Ebden. Who won women's singles title at the Spain Masters Badminton Tournament? Answer is Rachnok Itanan. Who won the men's singles title at the Spain Masters Badminton Tournament? Answer is Law Keen Yu. Who won the men's doubles title at the Spain Masters Badminton Tournament? Answer is Sabar Kariman Gutma and Mo Reza Pahlavi Isfahani. Who won Indian Open 2024 golf tournament at DLF Golf and Country Club in Gurugram on March 31? Answer is Keita Nakajima. Who is India's best ranked men's world 35th table tennis player according to latest ITTF world rankings? Answer is Achintya Sharath Kanwal. Who is India's best ranked women table tennis player according to the latest world ranking? Answer is Manika Batra. So with this, we come to an end of this session of Current Affairs Important Questions. Thank you for watching this video. For more useful videos, please subscribe to Success Series Education.